Yes, hi there, good morning, it's Jovi Overo from Beta 2 in London. It's the 11th of Jan 2012 and the time we have is 10:01. Yesterday we saw risk markets experience strong gains with risk on being back on the table. European equities, they also rebounded, erasing a chunk of the losses seen over the past three sessions. Commodities, they also increased, replicating the rally seen in Chinese equities overnight. The biggest gainers of the day were the markets that had been under severe pressure at the start of the month. Now today, I would like to focus on Italy. I fear that in Italia tutto sarà molto male e posso vedere problemi. I'll give you some examples. We've seen a strong surge in the withdrawals by retail depositors, and also the inability to raise funds from the wholesale markets has seen Italian banks' usage of ECB loans to of 210 billion euros. And again, like yesterday, that figure is staggering. By the end of 2011, Italy's banks had accounted for nearly a quarter of liquidity provided by Europe's central banks. Italian 10-year yields, they remain again above the critical 7% level. Unicredit, for example, their shares closed at its lowest price since the early 1980s, and over the past four sessions alone has seen a drop of almost 45%. Again, that's phenomenal. In 2007, Unicredit shares were trading above 40 euros. Today, just over 2.4 euros. Again, staggering. Monti, Prime Minister Monti's options, in my opinion, are fairly limited, and I think the vast majority have been exhausted. Just quite frankly, due to the mountain of huge sovereign debts that they have. If retail depositors continue to withdraw funds from Italian banks, I fear the situation will become unsustainable, and penso che Italia è morta. Finally, switching to both the Aussie and the Kiwi dollars, they have benefited from significant buying interest this week, with Aussie dollar flirting above the 1.03 level, and the latter at 0.7950. This is due to a few things. For example, improved risk appetite, strong US consumer credit figures, and larger than expected Chinese trade surplus last month. The year to date, the Kiwi is the best performing currency, followed by the Brazilian real, and finally the Aussie dollar. So if you want to benefit from these movements, as always, please log on to our website, www.beta2.co.uk. Thank you and good morning.